Hi, my name is Mark van Oers of Van Iperen International. I'm Director of Innovations and today I'm visiting our GreenSwitch Factory at the biogas installation Agro-Energie Hardenberg. At this facility we turn ammonium from manure into nitrate fertilizers. Nitrate fertilizers produced in a sustainable, circular way with a significantly reduced emission from ammonium, as well as a close to zero carbon footprint. Today we produce potassium nitrate. Tomorrow we are aiming to produce a full range of liquid nitrate fertilizers for fertigation, not only in open field but also in the high-tech greenhouses. The Agro-Energie Hardenberg factory produces biogas at a rate of 1000 cubic meter per hour to be put on the grid. They also produce green electricity at a rate of around 2000 kilowatt per hour. Part of this electricity is used for their own consumption in the factory. The remaining part also is supplied to the grid. In this factory, the capacity of infeed is about 200,000 tons. 120,000 tons of this is manure and 80,000 tons exist of co-substrates. So what is the link between the biogas industry and GreenSwitch? At the end of the production process of biogas and electricity, a product called digestate remains. This is being split in two fractions, a solid fraction and a liquid fraction. The solid fraction of the digestate is traded to growers within Europe to be used as a high phosphate fertilizer. The liquid fraction, because of its low content of nutrients, is a high cost byproduct for the biogas industry to dispose. This is where the GreenSwitch process starts and supports the industry of the biogas installation. The Hardenberg facility is the first of its kind in the world. In the coming years, we hope to replicate this facility in different areas all over the world. So let's have a look at the factory now. Within the GreenSwitch process, we use the liquid fraction of the digestate as a raw material. We increase the temperature in order to transform the ammonium into its volatile form ammoniac. This is called stripping of digestate. Afterwards, we capture the volatile ammoniac and turn it into an ammonium solution thanks to the ART technology. The ammonium solution is then combined with potassium solution in the bioreactor, the heure technology. The bioreactor contains a high level of nitrifying bacteria which turns ammonium into nitrate. The end product therewith is a low concentrated potassium nitrate solution. The thin solution of potassium nitrate we purify and concentrate using a membrane technology. This is the final step of the production process. With this facility, GreenSwitch opens a new horizon for a more sustainable agriculture, producing the first liquid nitrate fertilizers from organic source.